This is taken from the KhalijTimes.com news. ONPASSIVE, a software development company that builds fully autonomous SaaS products using the latest AI software technologies for global customers, has entered into a partnership with beIN Sports to become one of the main key sponsors of streaming the world's biggest sporting event in Qatar. The collaboration was established through Promafix, the sole advertising sales representative in the MENA region, and a digital subsidiary of Lebanon-based group. The UEFA Champions League and La Liga are two of the biggest sporting events and are being exclusively broadcasted by beIN Sports, the largest sports channel network in the region. Ashma Farhat, founder and CEO at ONPASSIVE, said, "We promised our founders, and as always, we over-delivered." Qatar's massive football festival is one of many international events ONPASSIVE is planning to be part of. We are preparing to deploy some of the most robust and creative marketing campaigns ever done by a business in any sector. We will just keep winning. Recently, ONPASSIVE opened its new headquarters in the UAE, with the launch being publicized with an outdoor marketing effort that began at the Burj Khalifa, where its offices are located and spanned across Dubai's well-known neighborhoods. Our business is focused on developing and executing cutting-edge AI technology solutions and at development services that can accommodate different business sizes. Users of our solutions will be equipped with cutting-edge technology to fend off competition from big international corporations. We are developing a number of innovative items with artificial intelligence. Engineers, data scientists, and research lab personnel are inventing ways that improve corporate productivity. The product's innovative design and foundational technology provide multi-level automation, enabling unmatched digital transformation. Every business needs artificial intelligence, but not every company has the resources to develop, maintain, and benefit from AI internally. All businesses, not only the biggest ones, can use AI, said Farhat. Thanks to ONPASSIVE, the efficacy, profitability, and productivity of their businesses increase as a result of linking and harnessing the power of their data to support humans at work, he added. ONPASSIVE will be a part of a program that includes TV engagement opportunities, brand awareness and visibility across all beIN Sports channels, access to all 64 matches, over 70 million TV subscribers, and more than 40 million social media fans and followers after joining the roster with the global media giant. ONPASSIVE is an AI technology-based ecosystem that is trusted by more than 1 million founders from more than 200 countries, and the offices are located in 4 main regions around the world to influence the global economy and automate digital solutions.